Good morning, dear students. In last class, we discussed about the chapter 8. In this chapter, we discussed the what is cell, who discovered the cell, and what is the shape, size, and number of the cell. Which all topics are we discussed in the last class. In today's class, we discuss the structure and function of the cell and different parts of the cell. Now first we talk about the cell structure and function. We know that all living organisms consist of organs. All living organisms consist of organ, and all organs which is also known as cell. All organ perform a specific type of function. For example, in 7th class you have already studied digestive system which is consist of digestive organ, and this digestive organs perform different type of function. For example, digestion, absorption, and assimilation. Like this, in plants different parts are present. For example, roots, leaves, and stem. All parts perform a specific function. For example, root absorb water. Leaves make food by the process of photosynthesis. Stem provide the strength to the plant. So these are the specific functions of the different parts of the plants. So these are the functions of the cell, and these organs are consist of tissues. Organs consist of tissues, and tissues are the group of cell. Okay, same group of these cells consist together form tissues, and tissues form the organs, and each group of cell perform a specific type of functions. Okay, so these are the functions of the cell. So cell form the tissue, and tissue forms the organ. Now we discuss part of the cell, different parts of the cell. There are three main parts of the cell. The first one is cell membrane. Second one is cytoplasm, and third one is nucleus. These are the different parts of the cell. First we talk about the cell membrane. What is the cell membrane? Cell membrane is the basic component of the cell. Cytoplasm and nucleus are present in the cell membrane. So this is the basic component. And it contains nucleus and cytoplasm. So nucleus and cytoplasm present in the cell membrane. This cell membrane also known as plasma membrane. It is also known as plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is porous. And semi-permeable. It provides the different substance for going inward and outward. So this is the cell membrane. Okay, this is the cell membrane. For example, I will give you example of onion cell, which we also discussed in the last class. This is the structure of onion peel cell. This is the structure of onion peel. In this onion peel, if we studied the onion peel under microscope, then we find out this is the cell membrane. Outer portion. In this cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm are present. This is nucleus and this is cytoplasm. So this is the example of onion peel cell. This is the example of onion peel cell, and this cytoplasm is jelly-like substance. This cytoplasm is jelly-like substance, and this rounded portion is known as nucleus. So nucleus and cytoplasm are present in cell membrane, okay, which is also known as plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is porous in nature. Now another example is human cheek. This is the example of onion peel. Now we talk about the another example, human cheek wall, cheek cells, sorry, human cheek cells. This is the human cheek cell. This is the human cheek cell. In this cell, this is cell membrane. This is outer portion. This is outer portion is cell membrane. This rounded portion is nucleus, and this jelly-like substance which is present in between cell membrane and nucleus. The jelly-like substance which is present in cell membrane and nucleus, which is present in between cell membrane and nucleus, is known as cytoplasm. So this is the example of human cheek. This is the example of human cheek. Cell membrane in plants cell membrane also contain one more part, a outer covering present outside of the cell membrane. A outer protective layer also present in outside of the cell membrane. This protective layer is known as cell wall. This protective layer is known as cell wall. For example, this is cell membrane, and outermost hard layer is also present, which is known as cell wall. And this is cell membrane. It is present in plants. This cell wall protect the cell membrane. It helps in the various situation in high speed wind, temperature, and it provides strength to the cell. So this is known as cell wall, which is provide the protective covering to the cell membrane. So plants need cell membrane for their protection for high temperature and high wind speed. Okay, if cell wall is not present in the plants, the plants become dead, become breakdown. Okay, so this is cell wall. And like this, cytoplasm is, if we talk about cytoplasm, another second part of the cell. First part is cell membrane, second part is cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm is jelly-like substance. Cytoplasm is jelly-like substance which is present in between nucleus and cell membrane. So cytoplasm is jelly-like substance. Jelly-like substance which is present in between cell membrane and nucleus is known as cytoplasm. In this cytoplasm, various cell organelles are present. For example, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes. These cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. Okay. Thank you so much. The remaining part of the cell we discuss in the next class.